Okay, now here you can see that the prime mover of the generator, that is the motor, is running at 220 volt supply voltage, and here you can see the residual voltage, that is the 38 volt. Why it is residual? You can see here the switch of the field is off, so no field current is supplied to the field winding of the DC generator. So this voltage is induced, or the terminal voltage is 38 volt. We can find out this voltage due to residual magnetism or residual flux. So this voltage is known as the residual voltage. And if we increase the field voltage, then you can see the field current is also increased, and hence the terminal voltage of the generator is also increased. So now you have to plot here that serial number 1, that is terminal voltage is 38 volt when the field current is 0. That means this 38 volt is the residual voltage. Okay, now we are going to increase the field current, and we can see that the terminal voltage of generator can be increased. So now we at first on this switch, this field switch, and this is the regulator which is used to increase or decrease the field current. It is a rheostat or variable resistance which is connected in series with the field winding. Now if we increase this, you can see here the current is increases, and also the terminal voltage is increased. So first when it is that is 1 ampere, when it is 1 ampere, then the voltage is 90 volt. So we plot here, that is 0.1 ampere. Okay, that is 0.1 ampere, that is 0.1 ampere, and the volt serial number 2, the voltage is 90 volt. Now you can see here when the field current is increased, then terminal voltage is also increased. And now that is 0.15 ampere. Now the terminal voltage is 127 volt. 0.15 ampere, and the voltage is number 3 serial number 127 volt. Now it is 0.2 ampere, and now this voltage is 142 volt. It is 142 volt, and the current is 0.20 ampere. It is 10. And the rated terminal voltage of the generator is 220 volt also. So now it is 142 volt. Now it is 0.25 and the voltage is 160 volt. volt, 0.25 ampere. Now that is 0.30. Okay, plus minus 5% is tolerable. So that is 0.30 ampere and the voltage is 178 volt. That is 178 volt and 0.30 ampere. Okay, that is 0.35 ampere and the voltage is 192 volt. So right now we are getting the 7 readings or observation. If we increase the ampere rating of the field, then it can be increased also, but for safety reason we are not increasing the current so much. So it can be increases till 220 volt. Okay, so right now we are getting 7 number of readings, and hence we can plot the graph. So here you can see the graph. So at first, after doing the experiment, we have to off the total panel. So at first we have to decrease the field, off the field switch. We have to follow this process. At first you have to off the field, decrease the field resistance, and after that of the field, and now you have to reduce the speed of the motor. Then you have to off the drives, and now you have to off the switch of the motor, and at last you have to off the power supply. And now you have to plot this value here. So when the value of the field current is 0, then you can see here the value of the terminal voltage is 38 volt. So this graph is starting from above the 0 region. That cannot be start from 0. So if we consider that is the 38 volt is the residual voltage when the field current is 0, then this graph is starting from here, and you can see here by increasing the field current, the terminal voltage is also increased. So the graph is like that, and when the field is saturated, that means when the field magnetic flux is saturated, after that position, if we increase the field current, then if the flux is constant and the speed of the prime mover is also constant, then no more terminal voltage will generate, or no more induced voltage is generated in the armature. So this, from in this point, the curve is like a straight line. Okay, so this is a open circuit characteristics curve of DC generator, or you can see or you can say it's a magnetizing curve of the DC generator or the internal characteristics of DC generator. Thank you. That's all.